Hi guys, welcome to the second lesson of today. We are still in June 2nd and this is the vocabulary lesson. We saw the previous class, the grammar lesson, and now we are going to learn new words, okay? We are in a new unit. We are now in the unit How is our planet changing? The planet Earth. What have humans done to the Earth? How weather is changing, all of these words about global warming and pollution and stuff like this, okay? This vocabulary lesson is called environmental issues, okay? Issues are like topics, subjects, things that have to do with the environment and how humans affect and change the planet, okay? We are going to learn these 5 new words. I will explain them to you with these keywords, okay? And then I will show you the pictures. A better way to learn vocabulary is just to learn or try to remember like keywords for each word that defines those words. For example, in the first word, compound concept, because we have 2 words, acid, rain, we know what is rain. And acid, to define this word, we have these keywords that are harmful chemicals. Harmful are things that do harm, that damage, okay? And chemicals are things, substances that are toxic for humans, for animals, okay? For living things, but also for soil, yeah? And that really affects later all of the food that animals and human beings consume, okay? The acid rain happens when all of the acidic gases released into the atmosphere, all of the gases go to the atmosphere and they get all together like in a huge mass, and these gases are carried upwards by the wind. All of these toxic gases go with the wind, and then when it rains, all of those gases, that is what is called acid rain, come to the ground and destroy the plants, pollutes water, and also soil and erodes buildings. So this is a very, very harmful thing that happens to the planet Earth nowadays, okay? Let's move on with the second term or concept is coastal flooding. We have already learned what is a flood. Flood is like in this picture is shown a lot of water that gets contained in a place and that it doesn't have like an exit and it gets all together in one place and it begins to go up in the level, okay? This coastal flooding in particular is called like this because it's a flood that is provoked by the sea water. As you can see, here's the sea and here is a building, and all of the water begins to come on a higher level, and that's why it's called a coastal flooding, because it's from the sea water, okay, from the coast. That is why is this word. Okay, the third concept is deforestation. What is deforestation? Is to remove trees. If we cut a tree, but then we make another one to live, yeah, then there is no deforestation. But when we cut trees and there are no new trees, this happens, deforestation. For example, here in our state, in Michoacan, we have a deep, huge problem with that because of the avocado, okay? So you have to learn that you have to preserve the life of trees, those that are healthy. Sometimes, in some cases, some trees have to be cut because they are not healthy and they are going to fall and they can provoke a lot of accidents. But when this happens is because for human consumers to produce paper, furniture, and all of that stuff. And there is not an ecological balance, and that's why deforestation occurs, okay? Then we have the fourth concept, and it is endangered species. Endangered comes from the word danger. Yeah, as you can see. So endangered species are those that are in risk of extinction. You're a lion, there are a lot of animals. There are a lot of species that are endangered. Endangered species because they are at risk of get extincted. Yeah, I know that's so sad. And the last concept, some of you have already learned this concept, it's pollution. Pollution is the same as contamination. We know that we have air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and those are all of those problems that can really, really, really harm the environment, the animals, the plants, and human beings. Okay? These are the 5 concepts of this lesson, the new words that you have to learn. I think they are easy, but I want you not just to remember how to write them, what are their meaning, and how to illustrate them, but to think about these concepts and what can we do to help our planet, okay? Hope that you have a wonderful day, that you have understood all of these terms, and that you enjoyed today. Have fun after doing your activities, your homework, and your responsibilities, okay? Stay safe at home. I'm thinking of you all the time, and I miss you so much. See you in the Friday's lesson. Bye bye. See you.